Hey guys, how's it going? It's John, back again. Actually making videos for this channel, somewhat daily. I'll try to do daily. That's the goal. Mostly daily. Uh, but what's gonna be different is that, well, first of all, I'm recording with a nice fancy little mic and not so fancy webcam. But that's not the only change. I'm also gonna be sharing my devlog stuff, game developer progress games on this channel, so I can also talk about other things while talking about my game. Because I like talking about Godzilla and Pokemon and Power Rangers and other stuff. And after these games, my other channel, which I'll probably have a link in the description below, will be exclusively like games content. Like, generally, more edited, like more game dev topics, game topics, let's play, stuff like that. But it's gonna be just generally games topics, while this is gonna be more me topics. Anyway, I'm going to show you something from my game. Probably should have set. There we go. All right. So I'm setting this up to be an endless runner. You know, originally it was gonna be more of a platformer, but I'm like, I want to add in some like, I want to kind of make it like a sort of endless runner with like a bunch of levels. Uh, so yeah, as you can see, the tanks kind of piled on, and so the bullets are shooting. They're just shooting so fast that we can't see them actually shooting the bullets, and they destroy the bullets, like tank projectiles or whatever, get destroyed when they come in contact with Doraju. That is the name of the monster here. Originally I want to do it black and white, but I'm thinking I might just do a filter. Uh, like maybe just a black and white filter for the first couple of levels and just kind of have the levels be each inspired by a Godzilla movie. I think that would be kind of cool. Originally I wanted this game to be done in a month. Well, this is the progress I've had since May 1st, pretty much. And yeah, not much has been done with the game. So I think May 30th was not the ideal, uh, not the best day, but I will have like a finished prototype. That is definite goal, is to have a prototype finished by the 30th and have it like an early release game on itch. Yeah, it's like this morning, pretty much just got the work done for your tanks. What I need to do now is get the head to move so you can aim your projectiles, because you can do that if you press the space button. And you can also jump with W. That'll be important. Originally you could duck, D, and duck with S, move left and right with A and D, but I'm thinking those buttons are going to be a little bit different now. So yeah, new planned release date will be November 3rd, which will work probably just as good as, let's see, as May 30th. Maybe not as good, but pretty good, because November 3rd is Godzilla Day, or Godzilla's birthday, and this game being heavily inspired by Godzilla, that would work so well. I also got to touch up on the animation. The walking animation, didn't really care for that. I mean, it's getting there, but I don't know, it just doesn't feel right. I'll probably have to adjust the speed a little so it's a little bit faster. Other than that, though, it's the game's progress going a little bit slow but steady. Like, I'm making sure I have progress done every day. I just need to stop procrastinating every day. I guess the good thing of me changing up to be an endless runner is that there's going to be some on screen that is somewhat more entertaining than my face. Yeah, there's not much else to show. I mean, that's pretty much it. I don't have any levels made. This is kind of just a test room. I still need to implement other enemy objects other than the tanks. I need to implement a health system. I need to do a lot of things essentially before this game can be really any fun to play, because right now you're just, this is kind of it. You can do that, that, that's about it. Yeah. Super fun, am I right? Yeah. I also got to work on a firing delay on the projectiles. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. So they're not, constant row of that. And oh geez. Oh geez. What have I done? Like, oh, I've lagged the game now. Oh dear. Oh, I gotta fix that. The game is super laggy. So gotta love them early builds, am I right? Oh dear. Because it's just creating a lot. That's like a lot of tanks, and they're creating a lot of bullet objects. And okay, just a lot's going down that's slowing down. Oh my god. Isn't game dev fun? Oh, those poor tanks being smushed up like that. Oh dear. Oh dear lord. Yeah, gotta fix. My plan is not to have like a set amount of enemies. What I'll have is essentially enemies, randomly spawn in. And hopefully not to a point where it slows down the game like it did. Because yikes. That was a yikes. Because, that's kind of cool to look at. So yeah, it's good to know that I lagged out my own game. So yeah, that's pretty much it to show for the game. And yes, I'm working with Game Maker. Why not Unity? Because, I don't know C++. I'm not really a programmer. Gosh, sorry, trying to find video log. There we go. Not pretty much a programmer. More of a, just an artist kind of guy. But yeah, and also Game Maker was some that I did learn a little bit of from back when I was in high school. So even though I've only been game deving solidly for almost 2 months. It's coming up with almost 2 months now, where just solid game development, just working on games and all that fun stuff. But yeah, I did learn a couple of things back in high school. I went to this college program, like, not that it's a program that was run by a local college for high school students who wanted to learn about game design. And I went to digital media. Took a digital media class for 2 years in high school and learned game development, like some game design through there. So I'm not completely new to it. And I do plan the game I'm working on now, Doraju, since it is going to take me 6 months. This is probably going to be my first commercial game. My plan was to actually have more games made, small free games made before I started my commercial project, and my ceiling is leaking. I've also been dealing with that. So, if you excuse me, I'm gonna log off and move my desk again because, yeah, I've been dealing with a leaking ceiling yesterday and this morning. It's been a real hassle. Thankfully, water hasn't dripped on my fancy schmancy PC, because I would be very angry if that did. And wow, I have made this video longer than it should be. Anyway, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I don't know, what do you do? I don't even want to do the YouTuber analytics things, the main outros. Honestly, these videos are for more for me. That's why I'm putting them on to. I mean, there is a benefit of advertising the game, but at the same time, I don't want to come off as, the stereotypical YouTuber. I want to be more of just, this personal channel is just be more casual, not really more for money. Money would be after these games channel, which hasn't been growing. However, I can grow this channel, so I don't know. This is more just to get word out and me to show off what I'm doing and show off that I have a leaking ceiling and I really need to move my desk now. So have a really awesome day. Take care.